Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here. So in today's video, you're going to learn what is the Solana, what is the blockchain, and where you can buy it safely and where you can store it safely. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so what is the Solana? So the Solana actually is a decentralized blockchain that is built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. So what does it mean? It means that this is a platform that can actually help businesses to make all the process of payments, which is a lot of businesses very complicated, it's much simpler. Now, it's also going to be very simpler by speed, because as you can see, they make, and this is live transactions per second, they're making above the average transactions of the XRP, okay, which are 1500. And as you can see in here, the average is 1700, and usually I actually see much more when I get into this site. Another thing that is amazing is that they have the validation process, which is with nodes, what makes the validation process very, very, very cheap. As you can see, it's 0.00025, which is actually almost zero. It's actually helping businesses because the cost of making transactions when you're doing it from bank to bank, especially overseas, makes the process very expensive. With businesses, especially businesses that want to scale their business and work worldwide, it's absolutely amazing. If you want to learn more about the Solana, you are more than welcome to go to this site, which is solana.com. Now, another amazing thing in the Solana is that it's low cost, like most projects that were in the beginning, but what makes Solana so amazing is that Solana will be low cost forever. They ensure that transactions will remain less than $0.01 for both developers and users, which makes the process very smart financially to start working with it. Now, another amazing thing is that it's going to be fast and it's forever. Currently, the speed is about 400 milliseconds block times, and it's not the limit, okay? That's the limit right now because of the technology. And the more the hardware will get faster, the Solana network will get faster as well. So this is pretty amazing. So as I said, it's decentralized, which is one of the main reasons why most people get into the crypto industry. But another amazing thing is not that it's just decentralized, but it's actually unstoppable. Now, another amazing thing that I think that is very, very beautiful in this project, and actually it's one of the signs that if you don't see in a project, it's a red flag, which actually they have the community. A project doesn't have a community most of the time that they're not serious, okay? Because the whole idea of a project when it's decentralized is that with the power of the people, meaning that the people can have a say. So if you want, you can learn more about their site in here. Now, as you can see, a great idea and a great side hustle that you can actually see is by clicking the validators in here, okay, right here on the top, and then actually to scroll down. And as you can see, their reward system is by stacking, and they have, of course, they have pools to do that. So if you want to get started, all you need to do is go to the site and start reading about it. You have several documents about this. If you thought that you need to be someone special or something like that to actually validate the transactions in the blockchain, you don't. Actually, as you can see, who can run a validator node? Anyone. So this is actually something that's amazing. Now, it doesn't matter if you want to become a validator or you just want to invest in the Solana network, which I will show you farther in the video, how you can actually purchase it safely and how you can store it safely in your crypto wallet. By the way, an amazing crypto wallet is actually the Trezor wallet, which you can get by clicking the links down below, and actually you will get to this site and you will see that you have two main options to buy. One is the Trezor 1 and one is the Trezor Model T. Now, both of them are amazing. If you want to get started, I think that the best choice will probably be the Model T. And the main reason is because they have more coins and more cryptos that you can store in here. They have full color touchscreens, so the process will be much easier. Now, if you would want to transfer something or to enter your PIN code, if you will buy the Trezor 1, you will need to use your phone or your computer. And on the Trezor Model T, you can do that in the Trezor wallet itself. And by the way, they have amazing support. You can just click here and you will get to their support. They have a blog that you can learn a lot about the crypto industry in total, and also you will be able to learn about the Solana as well. Now, in order to purchase the Solana safely, you can go to Binance, which is an amazing marketplace, an exchange marketplace, which you can or buy cryptos or sell cryptos. Now, of course, that in order to purchase, you need to log in, okay, or to register if you haven't registered yet. So I will log in and we'll see you in a second. Now, after you logged in, you will get to this screen. And in order to actually find the Solana, you need to click on markets, and then you will need to actually search it. Now, if you won't see this one in here, all you need to do is scroll up, click on the search coin name and type SOL. Okay, and then you will be able to, the option will pop in here and you just click it. Now, when you will get to this screen, you will be able to see the analytics of ups and downs during this week. If you want, you can see it by day, by hours, by minutes, and etc., etc. But we'll look at it in a week's perspective just for now. So as you can see, there was nothing serious this week. There were small ups and downs until today. But in general, if you're looking on it in an investment perspective, I don't think that you should give a week or even a day analytics a lot of impact on your decision. And it will be smarter to get into their site, get into their communities, and read more about them. Now, in order to buy the Solana, you can do it in two main options. One with fiat money, meaning with USD, with euros and stuff like that, like with your money, we'll call it real money, or you can actually buy it with a different cryptocurrency. Okay, so for example, you can buy it with a BNB. Let's say that you want to buy 10 Solana. So in order to buy it with 10 Solana, you need 0.3923 BNB, and then you can just click buy Sol, and assuming that you have in your balance a BNB, you can do that. Now, another great way, which is actually how most people do, is by going to buy with USD, and don't worry, you can buy it with other currency as well. So you click on buy with USD, and then you actually get to this screen. In this screen, you actually put the amount that you're willing to spend in USD or in any other fiat currency like Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, you can do yen, and etc., etc. You will see that for every coin, it's a little bit different. Let's type, for example, 15. So with $15, I can receive 0.112694 Solana according to today. And then I will click on continue. And after I'm clicking on continue, it will actually send me to a page that I will need to put my Visa card, or I will buy with the balance that I put in Binance in order to buy. Now, let's say that after you buy, you want to withdraw it to your wallet, to your Trezor wallet, which you can get in our links down below, or to any wallet. What you need to do is actually to go back, okay, click on Binance, and actually you need to click on markets or to go back to the screen. And after that, you need to actually click on wallet and then overview. When you click on wallet overview, you will be able to actually see all your cryptocurrencies that you already have. And then when you will get to this screen, you will see that you have deposit, withdraw, or transfer, and you will be able to see, and also you will be able to see here your transaction history. In this white square, you will be able to see your balance of cryptocurrency or your estimate balance. Okay. And in order to withdraw, you will click on withdraw, and then you just put your wallet address, your crypto hardware wallet address, and then you will be able to actually withdraw and hold your cryptocurrency safely. So even if someone, God forbid, but even if someone get into Binance and will hack their system, your money won't stay there, okay? Then your Solana or any cryptocurrency will be safe in your cryptocurrency wallet, which you can get by clicking the links down below. So for summary, the Solana is a very interesting project, and I would totally recommend you to go to their site and read a little bit about them. In order to read a little bit about them, just scroll down and get to read documents, and you will be able to actually know a little bit more in depth about the project and about what is their vision towards the future. Now, as you can see, most of the time on their live transactions, they have more transactions per second than the known XRP, which you all probably know it's very, very used. And as you can see, the transaction costs are very, very low. So I think that this project have a big potential to take a big part in the crypto transactions market in the future. It doesn't matter where you're from around the world, you will be able to scale your business. So if you're a business owner or you're planning to have a business and you want to take part of this revolution, I would truly recommend you to read about it and to decide if you want to invest or not in the Solana. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto Gems channel so you can get more great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.